how to do futures trading on Kucoin app. So if you're planning to do a futures trading on the Kucoin app, I will just guide you through it, so make sure to stick with me till the end. So first of all, you open up the Kucoin mobile app, and this is the kind of interface you will see. From the bottom, you'll find multiple options, but you want to simply go to the one that says futures. Now in the futures, you can choose the certain candle that you want for as per the which time frame you want. So you want for 15 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame, or an aggregation of 60 minutes or 1 hour in this case. Now here you will see all the market status of the current Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies that you're trying to view the data of. Depending upon whether you want to enable contract trading or not, you can also select this, and enables futures trading to access up to 125x leverage. Or if you are planning to buy or sell it, you can also go over here, enter the amount that you want to buy, and then you'll be able to buy them. Right here you'll be able to see all your history and your orders and so on. And this is how you can do futures trading on Kucoin. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.